My name's Juliana, and where do I begin? My husband Craig and I decided to move our lives and our son to the island of Sardinia in Italy, my father's homeland. Join us on our new journey as I share my culture, heritage and passion for all things Simply Sardinian. Hello from a very wet, soggy Sardinia. It has rained more or less the whole week and weekend. We were very lucky yesterday that it stayed dry enough for the procession. Let this car go past. That it stayed dry enough for the procession, which was great because the whole town came out to celebrate. So that is our Easter tradition, Easter Sunday tradition here in Sardinia, is everyone gets up in the morning and goes down to one of the squares, not the main square in town, it's a small square. It has one of the oldest, I believe, crucifixes here in Sardinia. I think it goes right back to like the Moorish times, so whenever that was. And everyone gathers there. They have Sunday Mass, Easter Mass, in two of the churches in the town. And one of the churches brings Jesus to the square and the other church brings the Virgin Mary. And both of the processions meet in the middle at the piazza. And everyone gathers there and then leads the procession back. And we have brass bands, Sardinian music, hymns, prayers. So it is just really, really lovely. And you get to meet everyone. Everyone's out in their Sunday best. And yeah, it's just a really lovely way to celebrate Easter morning here with the community. And it's just something really different. So we did that yesterday. And then we met up with family for coffee and lots of cake, far too much cake and chocolate. And we had a really lovely Easter Sunday spent with friends, the community and family. on Saturday we went to Cagliari. We got up early, we went to Cagliari because we were asked by the architect and the plumber, electrician, if we could start picking out all our bathroom sanitary ware, taps and things. They've already started like ragging out the walls to lay all the cabling and the plumbing now. So things are moving very, very quickly. So they wanted all the tapware and things for the bathrooms. So we went down to Cagliari Saturday, and they just have a bigger selection down there, being the city. And yeah, we spent the full day down there. We did buy some taps. We didn't get everything that we set out to get, but we did pick up a new barbecue for Craig, which wasn't in the plan. So he was very, very happy. He got a new barbecue, and I got a new sofa. We have come down to Cagliari because we've actually had a really busy week this week, but the builders and everyone are going absolutely gung-ho and really, really quickly. So they have asked us to come down and just look for a bunch of stuff. So we need to look at the kitchen, all the bathroom, tapware, tiles, lights, like Velux windows to go in the roof. So Craig and I have just come down to Cagliari. There's a couple of big like superstores down here. So we've got a French one called Leroy Merlin, and the other one is a big Technomat, which is a bit like a big Bunnings or a B&Q, but they're huge. So we have made the journey down here this morning to try and have a look and see what we can get. So we need to find a kitchen. Our kitchen unit's already like built in, and the bathrooms, so I've got 3 bathrooms to buy for, and we're obviously doing some DIY and stuff in our place just to try and get it right for summer, because I've got Dad and Ryan coming over, so I really would like a new outdoor setting as well. And yeah, lots of money to spend and lots of things to buy. So yeah, see what we can find in here. So we need a new barbecue, and these are like the Italian sort of barbecues that you build in to the wall, I suppose. But I think these are just far too big for our courtyard, although this one in the end looks amazing. You've literally got a pizza oven on one side and then your grill on the other side. So these are pretty hardcore barbecues, and then I think you stack all your wood underneath. So I take it I would be wood chopping throughout the year to keep the oven going and the barbecue going. But yeah, and I don't think they're actually bad for the money. They're not too expensive. So Craig's found his big Aussie style barbecue that he likes. Gentle hands. Gentle hands. Oh, how much is that?
It's 40, it's like 1,500 euros.
Is it really?
Yeah. There's a smoker box. I mean,
well, what we're going to do with a smoker box? Yeah, but you know, oh, is it like a bain marie?
Yeah, I think so, isn't it?
What are you going to do with that?
Sausage
Yeah,
top.
no, your onions.
Oh. Really?
Yeah, you've got no idea, Craig, but this barbecue malarkey. Put the chopping board back on. I'll tell you what, we have had some cracking barbecues, but nothing like that.
Look.
You know what? You're such a bloke. I'm coming in trying to buy stuff for the house, and straight away you're drawn to a barbecue.
I just it's the person before.
No. No. We've got no room. What, going into a hot tub when it's really hot? What are you touching? Stop touching. It is, but I don't know where we would put it, Craig. Seriously. It would literally take up our whole courtyard. Stop touching. So Craig got the barbecue. We couldn't really see anything in the other shop. What is happening to my hair? In the other shop, it's more like outdoor furniture and things. So we've come over to the big Technomats, and I've got my quotes from the other two places that have priced up the bathrooms, all the tapware and tiles and things. So I'm going to go in here and see what they've got, because I think I actually need this stuff in the next week or two. So if not, it's going to put the builders and everyone back. So yeah, I'm in a bit of a hurry to get the stuff.
Right, so where are we?
Well, after the barbecue, I thought, well, I need something now. So we are in the shop that does handmade sofas and things. So I'm picking out the material for my new sofa.
Wow. So, this is the one I think she's picked, not this colour. They make it to measure, so they're going to make it a little bit shorter on this side and a bit longer in the middle. So, and it's got a recliner and electric stuff and all sorts. But this shop is awesome. It's all handmade in Italy. So, after all that, we ended up with a barbecue and a sofa. Oh my god.
We've got no bathrooms, no kitchen.
We've got a tap, we've got some
We've
taps.
got some taps.
Taps, a couch and a barbecue.
We've got a new sofa and a new barbecue. So, well, it is what it is. I'm not going to stress.
No, happy days.
I didn't put the video out last night just because I thought everyone would be spending time with family and friends, being Easter Sunday. So that's why I have decided to put the video out this evening. Yeah, I just thought everyone would probably be busy with family and friends and enjoying their Easter Sunday, which is what we done as well. So I hope you enjoy this week's video. If you do like the videos, subscribe. If there's anything that you would like me to cover in Sardinia, anything that you want to see, we do have a lot of festivals coming up, so there'll be some different videos coming up in the next few months. And again, if you've got any questions about moving to Sardinia, what it's like to live here, you can drop me a question in the comments, or you can get in touch with me at simplysardinian@gmail.com. And yeah, if you like the videos, subscribe, and thank you for watching, and I will see you next week.